Why does your scanner show the P045F engine code, and what does it mean? P045F is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation, B control, stuck closed. This error code indicates that your car's powertrain control module has detected that the exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, B control, is stuck in the closed position. Under these circumstances, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: carbon buildup, bad EGR valve, faulty EGR solenoid, wiring issues, faulty sensors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Volkswagen, Audi, Land Rover, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.